very nice place in a city in Brazil, and I'm going with my friends. You can see them at the back. Yeah, so I think I will be vlogging it when I get there. Like I'll show you the place. It's a very nice place. I'll show you the place when I get there. So keep watching. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. Guys, can you see that IGUAÇU Falls? That's where we are going. It's a very nice place. I hope you like it. Hi guys, so we just got to the place. Okay, I think we're supposed to. Hello Black, hello darling. So we're supposed to buy some tickets and then start our tour. Okay. Can you see that? We now go and see the line. Yep. I'm group 8 and can you see that? Yeah. Guys, I can't wait. Honestly speaking, I can't wait. The name of the place is Parque Nacional do IGUAÇU. Can you see that? Yeah, it's in Portuguese. Okay. Can you see that? That's where we're going.
Oi, tudo bom? Obrigado. Oi, tudo bom?
Oi, tudo bom? Obrigada.
Boa tarde.
Oi.
Passeio.
Obrigada. Guys, we're going to get a bus to the place, okay? Guys, I can't even find my ticket. I can't find my ticket. Wait. I can't find it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I found it. Can you see that? This is my ticket. This is my ticket. Okay. Guys, honestly speaking, I can't wait. So let's get there, okay? I'm done. I'm going to get, guys. I'm going to get a bus to the place. Okay, so let's get there. Can you see that? That is the bus. Okay. Let go. Okay, so we're in the bus and we going there. Guys, so we are on our way, okay?
Welcome to the IGUAÇU National Park, a federal conservation unit managed by the Chico Institute for Biodiversity Conservation and declared by UNESCO as a Natural World Heritage Site. For your safety, comfort, and
Guys, so we're here. We now walk into the place, okay? We're down from the baths and we walk into the place. Unfortunately, it's raining, but let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, look at your girl. Look at where she is. Let go, let go, let go. Guys, it's raining. Guys, can you see the place? That is where we're going to. Can you see that? Can you see that? That's where we're going to. Guys, can you see that? It's so beautiful. Oh, that's where we're going to. How beautiful it is. No, 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 no. Wet, like, guys, this is not even a joke. Like, no. Not even a joke! Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that. So that's supposed to be Argentina, okay? Argentina and then Brazil. Okay? Can you see that? It's so fucking beautiful. Like, no. Can you see that? Look at my friends. Look at them. Look at them. They're all so happy. Guys, I'm wet. Like, all my clothes are wet. All my clothes are fucking wet. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful.